So I kind of teased that I was going to kind of give you a little bit of a behind the scenes look of some of my gear. Well, this right here is my Canon M50, and this is what I use for most of the videos that I shoot. This is my main camera that I use, and I absolutely love this camera. I have just a simple kit lens on it, and then my microphone on the top is the Rode video mic. Now, the other part that I think is absolutely crucial to anything that I shoot is the type of tripod or the way I stabilize my camera. Now, this is a Gioto, I believe I said that right, a tripod. Really great tripod that I use. It's really lightweight and it collapses, but it also goes up to 77 inches tall, so it can get those really high angles if I need them. The other thing I have on this camera itself is I have an ND filter on here, and what the ND filter does is helps me to determine how much light is actually getting into the lens itself. So it's kind of like sunglasses for the camera. So that's just a really quick, some behind the scenes of a little bit of my gear that I use, and I just finished shooting this week's video out here out on my deck. So I hope you will join me on Thursday morning or whenever you get a chance to watch it to check out this week's creative cache. And I have a special assignment for you because I need y'all's help, and you want to check out that video this Thursday to find out how I need your help and what you might get for helping me out. All right, catch you later.